What makes a good website? If you have an existing site or plan to develop one in the near future, it's important to understand the characteristics that can make or break the effectiveness of your online investment. An unattractive or poorly built website will do more to hurt your business than to help it. In this video, we looked at the 5 general components involved in making a website successful. Appearance. A site must be visually appealing, polished, and professional. Remember, it's reflecting your company, your products, and your services. Your website may be the first and only impression a potential customer encounters when learning about your company. Content. Along with style, your site must have substance. Remember that your audience is looking for information that will help them make a decision, so it should be informative and relevant. Use this opportunity to increase visitor confidence in your company's knowledge and competence. Functionality. Every component of your site should work quickly and correctly. Broken or poorly constructed components will only leave your visitors frustrated and disillusioned with your company. Across the spectrum, everything should work as expected, including hyperlinks, contact forms, site search, event registration, and so on. Usability. A critical but often overlooked component of a successful website is its degree of usability. Your site must be easy to read, navigate, and understand. Some key usability elements include simplicity, fast-loading pages, minimal scroll, consistent layout, prominent logical navigation, and screen resolution. Let's not forget to make it responsive. More viewers are viewing your website on their handheld devices than ever before. Search engine optimized. While paid advertising, social media, and other online platforms can generate traffic to websites, the majority of online traffic is driven by search engines. SEO, or search engine optimization, is one of the only online marketing channels that, when set up correctly, can continue to pay dividends over time. If you provide a solid piece of content that deserves to rank with the right keywords, your traffic can snowball over time. Sound overwhelming? You're not alone. This is what we do. As a full-service advertising agency, we have the creative skill and the effective marketing tools to help you attract new clients and to grow your revenue. Contact us today for a complimentary consultation.